worksheet. Let me open my own worksheet. Okay, so I'm just going to, so we are going to be having 10 minutes of each video. Okay, the first video is 10 minutes. This one is also going to be 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes for each video. Then we're going to use 20 minutes. The total amount of time we're going to use for each class, that the videos are going to be 20 minutes. Then you have 30 minutes to now watch the video. You can use 10 minutes or 20 minutes to watch the video. Then you use another 30 minutes to practice or to open or to try to do what you have seen already, explore what you have seen already. That's how the class is going to be. All right, now we talked about this panel, so I want to just rearrange all of this panel. So all I just have to do is I come to Windows, then I'm going to go to Workspace. Now there are different types of preset workspaces here. There are different kinds of preset workspaces here. Now we are using the layout workspace. I like using layout workspace. Okay, so but you can use any one you want, but that will affect the things that you're seeing, like the kind of panels that is going to open up for you. Not that you cannot take more panels and you can put any more panels you want to put, but the arrangements will be different. So let's just reset this layout panel, this layout workspace, so that we have all the panels that are necessary come to the right hand automatically. So I click, you see everything rearranges. So that layout panel, now this is the original format that it comes with, so we can rearrange it, bring in any more panels we want to bring, and just arrange them here. So for example, I need the properties panel, so that one is very important. I click, I drag it all the way, I just drag it to this point. I'm holding down my left click and I'm dragging to this point, and I just leave it there. Okay, so hold down your left click, drag and place it here. Hold down your left click, drag and place it here. That's it. Now we have seen what we have here. These are the menus. Now here we have the property bar. Now the property bar changes depending on the kind of task that you're working on in your artboard. Now if for example I want to draw a rectangle here on this artboard, you will see automatically, you will see all of the tools that are needed for me to work on that rectangle to come up with this property area. Now see, if I select this rectangle now and I drag like this and I draw a rectangle, now notice that even here, even your properties here changes, and your property panel here would also change. Maybe you did not see much of a change because all the things here are already what is needed to work on a rectangle. Let's use another tool. Okay, let's say we select the text tool. We want to type a text. Now watch. Good. Did you see the changes? Now we have some additional things here that have come up. We have character. We have character to change the font of the text. We have other things that have come up to change the size of the text. Other things that have showed up here. So what we are saying is the property panel or property bar here changes depending on the particular tool that you're using at the moment. So any tool you select here, you will see what you would use to work on that tool here, and you will also equally see some changes to your property panel. Okay, so that is just it. So we have been able to cover what this workspace in your Illustrator looks like, what you actually have here. Now we said this is the tool box. Just to recap, we said these are the menus, different menus, and each of the menus have drop down. Then we said this is the property bar, where that changes depending on the particular tool that you're using at the moment. Then on the right hand side, we say these are different panels that are just arranged here so that you could easily access. You can drag out the panels anyhow you want. Okay, so that is just it, and you can bring out more panels from this your Windows menu. You can get all these things at different panels. You can just tap on and you can have those panels and work with them. So that is the interface. Now I am going to show you I'm going to show you how to open the file that will be given to you, be sending to you. Now this is the worksheet. So I want to open my own worksheet. Let me open my own worksheet. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it here so it can open there.